The Envidist MFE3 is a multiple-effect evaporator that offers high performance in treating large volumes of wastewater with a low contaminant load. It is a forced circulation evaporator that can operate both in series and in parallel, adapting to different operational needs. This equipment is designed to use saturated steam or hot water as heat sources. The cycle begins with the creation of a vacuum in the three effects by means of the liquid ring pumps installed in each effect. Then, the three boilers are filled with wastewater. Once the working level is reached, the recirculation pumps are activated, driving the wastewater into the tubes of the heat exchanger of the first effect. Simultaneously, the steam valve opens, allowing steam to enter the exchanger from the outside. The wastewater increases in temperature as it circulates through the tubes, while the steam condenses. The heated wastewater recirculates over effect 1, where it partially evaporates due to the vacuum generated by the liquid ring pumps. This vapu is directed to the heat exchanger of the second effect, where the vacuum is greater than in the first effect. When the vapu are generated in effect 1 comes into contact with the water circulating through the heat exchanger of effect 2, the water of the second effect increases in temperature while the vapor condenses, releasing its latent heat. The overheated water re-enters effect 2, where it evaporates. The vapu from the second effect is sent to the heat exchanger of the third effect, where the vacuum is even greater. The vapor from effect 2 condenses upon contact with the water circulating through the heat exchanger of effect 3, releasing its latent heat and allowing the overheated water to evaporate when recirculating in effect 3. The vapor generated in effect 3 is directed to a plate heat exchanger, where it comes into contact with cooling water to condense. This process allows for considerable energy savings, as the energy required to evaporate one effect is sufficient to evaporate all three, reducing energy consumption by 67%. Each distillate is collected in an intermediate tank. When these tanks reach their maximum level, the distillate is transferred to the collection point by a centrifugal pump installed in each effect. The volume of liquid within each effect decreases due to evaporation. When this happens, the loading valve opens to restore the working level. This state is maintained until the desired concentration is reached. At that point, the recirculation and vacuum pumps stop, and the effects are discharged by activating the concentrate discharge pumps. The Envidist MFE3 evaporator allows for partial discharges or only discharging the last effect if operating in series.